Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel lab, select the Codota. Open the pixel lab, select the Codota. Go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, crop the picture, select the crop option. Remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture, and then select the another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, copy the picture, select the copy option, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.